back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting to pack my stuff up for college and going back to school and moving into our apartment and everything. We have about a week and a half until we move in, and I want to start packing some things and figuring out what I want to take. And I think for right now, I'm probably just going to start packing my winter clothes and stuff I'm not wearing right now, because obviously I'm not going to need it within the next few weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I have some boxes over here, and then I have some out in the hallway as well that I'm going to start packing stuff in. And yeah, I'm getting really excited. It's coming up so soon. Literally, I can't believe the summer is almost over with. Since I'm not going to really be here as much, if really at all anymore, I might like try to get rid of some things that I no longer use or just need in my room, I guess. So we're gonna be doing that as well. I know I'm not gonna be doing all the packing today. I do have the day off before we actually move, so obviously I'm gonna be doing like everything then. But for right now, I just want to get as much done as I can that I know that I'm not going to use within this time. So yeah, over here in this corner, I have all of the books I bought from somebody else. They're just selling them, so I bought them all for her. I think I'm gonna need them through my 2 years in the dental program. So I'm just gonna take them all because I'm not exactly sure what books I'm gonna be using this semester. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack these up into a box. They're gonna be so heavy, but yeah, I need to take them all, so. Alright, I got them all in here. I'm not gonna be able to close it, but it's fine. As long as I can carry them easier, we're all good there. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get into my closet, because obviously I have a lot of stuff back here, like winter clothes, that I want to pack up and just figure out what all clothes I want to take, and shoes as well. Alright, so this is an update on the closet. So I actually ended up taking out the shoe rack that was in here because I figured that would be a really good thing to put in our closet in our apartment. We'll be able to actually like stack our shoes and not take up as much room. And then this is how the clothes look. I took out winter clothes that I will not be wearing within the next few weeks. Obviously, I still have a ton of sweatshirts in here, but I mostly wear crew necks and stuff like just during the day. Even though it's hot out, I still like to wear them, so I didn't pack those yet, which is like all this stuff right here. But I did t-shirts. These t-shirts I didn't want, so I'm not taking those. Haven't done tank tops yet either because I'm still wearing those a lot. And then I did end up taking a few dress clothes, and then these I just didn't want, so I'm not taking. And then obviously I have all my Christmas stuff and everything up there, which I don't want to waste room, so I'm not taking those yet. I'll take them closer to like November, December. And yeah, I just don't want to take up space that we don't need to take up. So that's pretty much it for the closet right now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to these drawers and look and see what I want to take, what I'm not wearing right now. Same thing as a closet, so let's do that now. Okay, so I'm just not realizing that I'm actually taking this with us, so I need to take out stuff I'm not gonna wear and leave the stuff in that I am gonna wear. So I'm doing that. Okay, so these are all the clothes that I'm not taking with me. I think what I'm gonna have to do is get a tote and just put them all in there, and then once this dresser is moved, I can just set the tote right here and put it there while I'm gone. So I kind of condensed a lot. I tried to minimalize what I am taking, so yay. Okay, so next I ended up going through this drawer, and I had a bunch of makeup in here, and I kind of went through it and ended up putting it all in these drawers. But this is all the makeup I'm getting rid of. A lot of it is literally from like 3 years ago that I don't even use anymore. I used to be so into makeup, and now I like hardly ever wear it anymore. I mean, I still wear a lot of it when I do wear makeup, but I don't wear lipstick anymore. Like, I don't know, I just am not wearing it as much anymore, which is completely fine. So yeah, I just kind of put everything that I use. I don't even use this stuff. All the makeup I use is actually in that bag down there. So hopefully I can find somewhere to fit it in these drawers. But I'm gonna throw all this stuff out. It's definitely old. I need to go through this drawer as well, which has a bunch of junk in it. I really want to see if we can actually take this desk, because we don't have like a desk or anywhere to really do any homework or anything there. So if there's room in like the living room or something, I definitely want to take this desk just so we have somewhere to do our homework and stuff. I don't know, we still need to figure it out. We haven't even actually walked into what the size of our apartment is, because when we toured it, we looked through a 4-bedroom, and I mean, they have like a layout, like a floor plan of what the 1-bedroom looks like, but you literally, I mean, you can't really tell over a little picture that you find online, so it's really hard to tell like how much room we're going to have. Hopefully we have enough room for a little desk, because that's like where I can actually focus and do my work. But I can always go to the library too, so that helps, but I don't always want to go there. So next I have this thing as well, which I did take with me to college the first time, but my dorm was like huge, so I had definitely enough room for it, and I really want to take it. I want to be able to fill this with like toiletry stuff, which now that I'm thinking about it, I actually could probably just put the stuff in the drawers in the bathroom, so I might not even need this. Just realized that. But yeah, I definitely do not need to take all of these makeup palettes. Like, I literally use the same makeup palette every single day. I just don't want to get rid of these, because like I used to have so much makeup and now I have like none, but it's probably for the better. Just a lot of toiletry stuff and like extra stuff. I don't know, I'll have to pick and choose and see what kind of things I want to take with me. Alright, so here's an update on what we have kind of done so far. So I packed away a lot of my stuff in here that was on my desk and cleared it all off. Some random stuff in there, and then those are the clothes I need to put in a tote. Lots of stuff in here, lots of makeup, skincare, things like that. So yeah, and then here's the clothes that I took out of my closet. I have my backpack, my books right there, and then those are my shoes and my shoe rack. And then this is all trash. I might actually take this backpack to like Goodwill or something, because it's still in really good shape. I just wanted to get something new, so I got a new backpack, but I might take that to Goodwill for somebody else to get some use out of now. But yeah, we're starting to empty things out and just get a little bit more things put away. For now, I think that's what we're gonna do for today. The rest of the stuff will be packed like the day before we move in. And yeah, it's literally only a week and a half away, so I can't believe how fast it's coming up. All right, I'll see you guys the next time I am going to start packing some things up. Hi guys, so today is Tuesday, and we were supposed to move in on Thursday, but now we're moving in a day earlier, so we're moving in tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And I'm so stressed right now. I literally have so much to do. I have a whole list of things that doesn't even include like actually packing stuff into my car. Currently almost 11:30. Plan for today is I have a whole list of stuff I need to do around the house just to get everything ready, and then obviously I need to pack stuff into my car. Thing is, I have to work today at 4:30. I worked this morning, and then at 12:30 I'm going out to lunch with my mom and my sister so I can see them before I leave, or just spend some time with them before I leave. My dad obviously would be there, but he has to work, or he's at work. I have like 3 hours to do everything I want to do, so I need to get moving. I'm really sorry if a lot of this video is like sped up footage of me not talking. I just like cannot talk to the camera right now. I have way too much to do and I need to focus and get it all done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do whatever is on my to-do list first, and I will try to film as much as I can. That's what's going on today. I guess I will talk to you guys whenever I can again. Okay, so this room is a complete mess. This used to be my sister's bedroom, but I have literally stuff everywhere of what I'm taking. All of this stuff, a lot of this is my clinical stuff. Most of it is, except for this top bag. These are all my books. I think I'm going to start packing it into my car. I'm also realizing that I am needing to put this dresser into my car as well. So I feel like I should put that first just to make sure that it fits. But obviously I need clothes, so maybe I'll do that. I don't know. I really should just do it now. Figure this out. I also have all this stuff as well. It is a little bit later. It's already like 2 o'clock now, and I just got back from getting lunch with my mom and sister and like saying bye to them. I mean, I will see my mom tomorrow morning, but yeah, I don't know. It's all becoming like so real, and I'm getting really sad, and there's just like a lot of emotions going through my head right now. Like, I'm actually moving away. It's not like I'm just moving into a dorm for like 6-7 months. Like, I'm actually gonna be living here. Even next summer I'll be there all summer, and yeah, it's just really sad. So anyways, I'm actually gonna start putting stuff into my car. I actually vacuumed up my car before I left for lunch, so it's all clean now. I did some laundry. I just put some laundry in, like last minute clothes and everything, so I don't have to do everything when I get there. Or at least not as much stuff. I've decided I'm not gonna worry about my dresser right now. I'm just gonna save some room for it and do it probably tomorrow morning or tonight. Yeah, let's go ahead and start packing stuff into my car. I'm really sad. So I'm gonna start with all of this stuff. This stuff I know for sure is done being packed, along with all my clothes, all that stuff. Everything over here can be packed. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is where we are at right now. So I have taken some of this stuff out, finishing up a video for tomorrow, and then I have these few things left to put in my car, and that room is empty. I already got everything out of there that I want, but I just have this stuff and that stuff to put in my car, and obviously my dresser. I'm waiting for some clothes to be down the dryer so I can pack up my dresser, put all the clothes I want to take in there. And then I think I'm gonna get my dad to help me put my dresser into my car. So right now it is, what is it, 3:08. So I have to go to work in like an hour. I guess I will have to finish everything else tomorrow, but I'm also gonna be filming a completely separate video tomorrow for like my move-in vlog or whatever. It's gonna be an exciting day. I guess I will finish off this vlog tomorrow morning when I am packing everything up, and then I'm gonna start a new one. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Today is moving day. It is August 18th, and I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I have like so many mixed emotions about it. Yeah, today is moving day. We are leaving in about an hour. I have to go to Big B and drop off all of my shirts from work and stuff that I obviously don't need anymore. And then we're gonna I'm gonna meet Cameron somewhere, and then we're gonna head over. And I'm so excited. I'm going to be starting a new vlog today on the way there of like moving day and stuff, so definitely subscribe to be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, let's go ahead and pack everything else into my car and get on the way.
This world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. I've left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth. I'm so happy with you. Now I want to do good, keep my covenant with you. No longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. Cause no, I don't want to go back. Or how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.